Yeah, jerk some chicken. Yeah, jerk some chicken, eh? So this is your restaurant?
Huh?
This is your local restaurant?
Food truck.
Food truck, okay. I got advertised for it. Now tell my mother some, you know, I want to get her some jerk chicken. You know, me tell her some, see you out here, I want to get her some jerk chicken, me see her.
What she say?
She said, yeah man, she said, yeah man, I want to join a business with him too.
I'm looking to sell.
You're looking to sell? Have you always been here?
8 years.
Here?
8 years.
So people just come off the road and they come and buy food from you?
8 years.
Yeah, I never see this. Is the first time I see you here.
8 years.
8 years. Oh, cool. You look good though, man.
But I'm looking to sell.
Okay, so you rent the property here and...
No, I used to. I don't know more.
Okay.
I do a fundraiser for sick kids.
Oh, okay.
So I pay no rent.
Okay. So yes, make some chicken now for lunchtime, I guess.
11:30.
Okay, I'm gonna buy some still. I'm gonna see if I can buy some from my mother. So only chicken you have, your jerk?
Jerk chicken, jerk pork, oxtail, pork chicken,
Pork,
pasta.
Okay. They get some of chicken, but I don't really eat chicken, I mean fish.
Okay, me too.
No, that makes sense. This is the restaurant. You have to come down here right now. Jerk chicken, jerk pork.